Good the afternoon, gamers. It is me, Carlos. And are yous ready to bear the witness, the top of the 10 alien, and then the caught it on the camera? Every year, is a many encounter of the extraterrestrial keen across the parts of the world, and many are posted upon the internet by the good people of the internet, inculting the spotty of many unident flying flobject, and even closed-end scouters of the thirst kind. Now I'll sit back and relax as I present to you the top of the 10 the aeliens caught it onto camera. Numero uno. It is the photography taken in the WinRAR of 1993 of the alien having a boondoggle and a panache. He is very fashionable, and Milanese Fashion Fall Winter 2017. He was last seen at the Columbia Records recording his latest album, which features a diss track against his homies who crashed their UFO in Roswell. Nobardua, the aliens, kapakuted in a kissing, such as a very romantic occasion, and has left me in the exhaustion of the loins. Oh, whoa. Wow. Why you. Why is us, wow, object. Bar 3, the Gleebles. The Gleebles be doing a singy songbird from the liver puddle singing The Yellow Submarine, and the song of the yesterday. Glebe Lennon and Paul McGleeby. I persoic, wait. 12 names, Slayali, enjoy, Brango Stars. Work with the Massachusetts band The Red Sox after their band member Mikiol was suffering of ailment of the scalp. Amamar 4. This is surely to be the treat to you, viewers, who are big fan of extraterrestrial footage. I have a beautiful leaked video I took on my iPhone 18,000 kilometers per hour of an alien street fight I conjured while on the streets of Glorbitron 7. Please enjoy this video, sir. Number 5. The Allen slonking a fat dart of that Colgate via the Cuban burrito.
In the cutlery of Andromeda, the many youths of the plantet partake in the herbal infusion of the swamp plant. They do this by the shonking, though they
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? I advise all members of the Varg Skeletor Spooky Video Night Stream to strap themselves into their gaming chairs and equip the best protection and mug root beer memorabilia they have on their person. You may not know who I am, but I am a world-renowned alien connoisseur whose speciality is collecting rare footage of extraterrestrials doing alien-y things. In fact, 99% of my body was scarred during a violent film shoot with a Glebe DB 40 years ago at a truck stop in Space Albuquerque, forcing me to wear this enchanted, protective, alien-proof, unobtainium suit that provides life-sustaining Slim Jim jerky and Smacky's brand orange juice to my critically injured immune system. What I have here is a genuine spooky alien video I recorded on VHS while traversing the cursed dark forests of east-western Hungary in 1987, that I found in a volcanic crater inside a cavern, inside of a Mongolian titanium coffin I bought for 20 doubloons at a swap meet in North Korea, from a man in a mysterious coat who spoke fluent Swahili and Navajo and drove a modified Volvo station wagon, who begged me not to buy it as he said it was cursed with bad spirits and had mysteriously disappeared the next day. And I have undertaken a painful 20-year restoration of this tape with the help of my most trusted archivist, an elf named Bobby, who also mysteriously disappeared. You heard it here, gamers. Prepare your mind and soul for the physical, visual, nostril mental exorcism of a lifetime. Contact your loved ones while you still can. Few of you will live to tell this tale. Pray to whatever deity you believe in, for the skeleton is coming.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
so dark. Where are the lamps? Where are you? What's this? Is this a lamp? It's not on if it is. Let me see. No. Doesn't feel like a lamp. Feels soft, squishy, fleshy actually. Is this... Oh, it's an ear, isn't it? Human ear. Yep, I'm sitting on someone's ear. Welp. Hey, brother, can you hear me? Yeah, me, the moth sitting on your ear. You haven't seen any lamps around here lately, have you? No? Okay. Well, I guess I'll be going now. Off to find me a lamp. See ya.
Fuck off! Fuck you! Fuck off! Get out of here! Anti-Marcianito! No! Fuck you! No! Leave! Leave me alone! Get out of here! Get out of here! Protective shield! Protective shield! Protective shield! No Draculas! No mummy! No alien! No duende! Activate alarm! Get on approach!
Now what do we have